Hey you guys, and welcome back to another tutorial, and today we're doing another lock update. This is my 16-month natural lock update and about 4 to 5 months lock extension update. And trust me, there's been a lot of things that's happening within these beautiful but long 16 months. Very long, but we're just going to jump right into it. Oh, and before I forget, we are also going to be doing a turban tutorial, so I'll be sharing a little hack, but that's for later on. Let's jump right into now. So boom, we are 16 months in this journey, and a journey it has been. So what you're looking at right now, these are my lock extensions, and as you can see, they are rough. We are rough. My hair is dirty too. Forgot to mention that, but yeah, these are my lock extensions. So I had them for about 4 to 5 months, and low-key been kind of difficult because I realized that I am experiencing 2 different stages of lock. And it's annoying. It's pretty annoying, okay? Because the top of my head, they swinging. They have budded throughout the lock, so they got some weight, so they drooping. They doing their thing. But the side of my head, they just doing whatever the heck they want to do. So here's a better view. You can see the difference in texture. Of course, there is a lot of new growth. I am semi-freeform, so I will go at least 2 months in between my retwist. This is a month worth of new growth, and so I am going in on the 24th as a model, so I will be getting my hair retwist, but only for modeling purposes. But yes, I usually go long periods of times in between my retwists. But back to the extensions. So some of the extensions are starting to bud, which is kind of annoying because I wasn't really expecting them to start budding. I don't know why. Silly me. But yes, they are budding, and they're causing some gaps in the lock. I'm not sure why it's happening, but I do have to go in and fill in those gaps with a crochet needle and a little bit of hair. Fortunately, I am not experiencing this with all my extensions. Another fantastic thing that I noticed during this fabulous journey is that the hair on my right side towards the front is kind of thin. Yes, I got little thin bends in the front. So we got to really take it easy when it comes to them styles and all that stuff, because we don't want to end up like Lil Wayne or Stevie Wonder. No, we don't. No, we sure don't. But wait, there's more. Yes, one of my lock extensions fell out. So his name is Groove because he's the little shrimp of the group. He has to start all over, and I'm just not going to reinstall him because I kind of like it. And I know you all are probably wondering, like, what happened for it to fall out? Well, remember I said that it was budding throughout the extension, and it was causing the locks to thin. Yeah, so it thinned to the point that one time I was just pulling my hair up into a damn struggle ponytail, playing around. I didn't have no business doing that, and it fell out. Okay, so maybe it's my fault. I don't care. Regardless of whose fault it is, it's out and ain't getting back in. Okay, period. Before I forget to mention, as you can see, the color has faded significantly since the last time I colored it. And as for maintenance, we're still washing it every week, adding oil and water every other day, leaving conditioners, keeping it safe from the cold weather. Make sure you're sleeping with your bonnets, your satin scarves, and satin pillows, whatever. So we're still doing the same thing as for maintenance. Y'all know how I do, keep it cute and simple. But that's pretty much it for this update. Let's jump into this lock tutorial. No, this is definitely a turban tutorial. I got real hype and it wasn't even what it's supposed to be. Okay. I'm going to share an easy but quick hack on how to tie a turban using a pair of leggings. Now, I'm not the creator of this hack. I did see someone do this many years ago, but I can't find the video, and I assumed that everybody saw the video and kind of know of this hack. That's why I never thought to do it before, but apparently people are not familiar with this fun hack, but I am not the creator of it. Say that again, I'm not the creator of it. But enough with the background story. Let's jump right into this tutorial. So we're going to start off by placing the leggings on your head. It could be a pair of new leggings, old leggings. It doesn't really matter. Just put them things on your head and make sure that you are pushing your locks upward. So they all need to be standing up in the turban. So I suggest you bend over and just let all your locks fall into the turbans. That way they all can be standing right side up. So once you have all your locks collected and standing, you want to take the back of the leggings and pinch them together so they can fit around your head and fold it over, kind of like when you have a pair of jeans that's too big but you really want them to fit, so you kind of pinch it at the waist and do that little fold over and secure it with that safety pin. Yeah, it's kind of like that. Anybody else can relate to little booty problems? No, just me. All right. Once you're done fitting the leggings around your head, you want to take one of the leg sleeves and wrap it underneath the other sleeve, all right? Bring it towards the back, placing the sleeve over that folded section that you had to measure your head. Then you want to continue taking that sleeve and bring it all the way towards the front. Then you will tuck it in the other sleeve right underneath there. You want to tuck it right there, as you can see. Following these same steps, you want to take that pant sleeve, wrap it over, and bring it towards the back of your head. Just bring it around town and secure the bag right up top. So now at this point you want to shape it to how you like it, get it real nice and crisp, whatever how you do. But that's it for this hack. It's so simple and easy and ready to go. But yes, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys did, please remember to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. It helps out my channel a lot, and the Lock family and I really do appreciate when you guys support us. Please don't be shy to share, like, and leave a comment, okay? But until next time, until we meet again, until we're back on YouTube, watch another crazy lock tutorial of mine. Bye-bye. Okay, I didn't like that. We're gonna try it again. Bye-bye.